Thank you for purchasing the Handi Step by Confer Plastics. Begin by opening the carton and removing the contents of the box. You will notice that there are two different step treads, one with a straight back for use with square or rectangle spa, and a radius back for use with a round spa. We will be installing this step for use with a square or rectangular spa. Place the 4 foam pads on the indicated places on each side wall. Have a helper position the sidewalls. Place the bottom tread in place and have your helper hold it so it does not move. Strike the tread with a rubber mallet. You'll notice it may take more than one hit with the rubber mallet for the tread to seat properly. Repeat for the upper tread. Position near your spa, and your Confer Plastics Handi Step is now ready to be used.